Yesterday I had my green day and today I have my red day. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky here with TechBud Solutions. Just wanted to provide you guys with a quick overall update. Yesterday I walked away with $5,600 in the green during my live trading session during the FOMC meeting. So if you guys didn't watch that, it literally happened, I think it was in about 30 to 45 minutes of trading. Today, market direction is just against me. I mean, market direction is very clear. It's extremely bullish. I got faked out very early on. As of right now, I'm down right around $5,000 on the day. Not proud about it. My position size is still relatively pretty small to what I could normally trade with, so I'm not worried about it in the sense it's still definitely something that I can tolerate. But just knowing how much I made yesterday, knowing how much I'm down right now, just so you guys can see, this is on SQQQ 4,600. So again, right around that $5,000 mark. I just like to average up. But I wanted to showcase it to you guys. I mean, I'm in the red right now. I don't plan to be, and I wanted to follow up. I'm going to upload a second video today, and I wanted to see if I can make it out in the green. So I love showcasing both my green days and my red days. That's one of the big value pieces of my YouTube channel and my daily live trading sessions. I'm not here to sugarcoat things and just glorify, oh, look how amazing I am. I make mistakes all the time, almost every single day. But as long as my mistakes, I do them with a smaller position size, then I lose smaller, right? And that's why I have such a big focus on position size. So very excited to follow up, but I just wanted to provide you guys with some insight on what is causing so much of this momentum. Well, first off, FOMC meeting yesterday. Looks like all these news outlets, all their headlines are, markets are reacting due to, Federal Reserve's focus on pausing interest rates. So great. It's yesterday's news, still causing the market to go up. Just a heads up. Microsoft stock and Apple stock hit all-time highs today. Two of the most valuable companies, two of the most influential companies for NASDAQ, both made new highs today, new all-time highs. So that is one reason that I believe that the markets are doing so well. I call it headline momentum. It normally doesn't last, but again, right now it's extremely bullish, and I respect the bulls, right? The second thing is there's a list of stocks that were reporting earnings. That were reporting different economic reports, from retail sales to initial claims, continuing claims. So retail sales actually showed to be a little bit higher than expected, showing that the economy isn't necessarily slowing down. But initial claims and continuing claims both came in higher than expected, meaning that more people are filing for unemployment for the first time, and more people continue to file for unemployment than those of last week. And then goes down all the way down to, from Philadelphia Fed Index, Empire State Manufacturing, export price, EXAG, import price index, import prices, EX oil, industrial production, capacity utilization. It just goes down the list. So a bunch of different economic reports that were released right before the market opened, 1 hour to be exact. But my main focus of this video is I wanted to show you when I was in the red, and I wanted to express the importance of position size. So right now, and this is just my opinion, I still believe market's overbought. And I think that there is reversal potential because of how bullish it's being right at market open, but I'm going to have to wait and see. If I begin to see lower lows and lower highs on NASDAQ, I will size in and average up into SQQQ. Remember, I took relatively less than 50% of a position size on SQQQ, which led to that loss. It sucks, but as long as I keep that position size small during my losses, I can buy in with 10, 20, 30,000 shares when SQQQ direction is favorable, and it won't take much for me to make back what I lost and maybe end up in the green. So that's what I'm really excited to follow up. It's not guaranteed, obviously. I could just end $4,600 in the red, and that will just be it. But I wanted to show you that I was in the red. I wanted to talk about the mistakes that I made. I got faked out very early on with QQQQ, just so you could see it. NASDAQ market was selling off all pre-market session, even after those economic reports, but it was during that pre-market session about 1 hour before that we began to indicate signs of an uptrend, about 45 minutes before, and then we showed signs of consolidation. During this little consolidation phase, I feel like I got faked out, and then it just began to indicate signs of an uptrend. So I should have paid a little bit more attention to again, just slowing things down on the 5-minute time frame. It's very easy to see. But now market's overbought enough that I'm just getting very excited because I did such a good job keeping my position size small. If the market does sell off even just a little bit, if I size into it very aggressively, I can walk away most likely either break even on the day or slightly in the green. But again, I'll follow up in today's later video. Maybe I'll be more in the red if things go south, or maybe I'll be more in the green. So I'm going to keep my LPP team up to date and under the trade ideas section. And remember, I just post updates. They're not buy or sell signals. If you want to be kept up to date and also want to be able to watch me trade live every single day, that's going to be the second link in the description down below. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.